In this video we're going to talk about how to convert the text files to be a cleaner CSV that doesn't have any columns with commas included. So the first step I'm going to do is open up Excel, which you see here. I've got the folder open where I've got the two raw text files, the TC to TA and the TRAHS file. So I'm just going to drag and drop this first guy over to Excel, and that pulls in the raw text file. I'm going to select the entire column. I'm going to go to my data tab up at the top, just up here. I'm going to use text to columns. This data is delimited. I'm going to click next. It's a comma. Yours may default to tab delimited. We need to change that to comma. This double quote is fine. No need to change that. And at this point, those are the only options we have. To confirm that, I can click next, and we don't need to change any of that. So I'm going to click finish. That cleans up all of my data. Next step, I need to delete these rows because that's going to booger up my SQL import. So I'm going to delete this row that has the column titles. Delete that. Now I'm going to use, I clicked off of that top row so nothing is selected. I'm going to use Control H after I select the cell first. Control H will give me a find and replace. I want to find any commas and replace it with nothing. So I'm going to leave the replace with empty, do a replace all, and that found 41 commas that were embedded into a column. And I'm going to click OK, and that is clean now. I can close that. I can do File, Save As. I'm now going to save this as the same file name, but as a CSV. So I'm going to use MS-DOS CSV, and you can see from my testing that there's one already there. I'll just save it over and replace it. And it says the CSV may contain features that are not compatible, yada yada yada. We'll click yes. That's okay. And now I can close my file and move on to cleaning up the other text file. And that's it.